What time is it? I almost slipped through Toi Time. I better get going. Waka tato.
Toi Time!
Kia ora. It's great to see you. Ko Māia tōku ingoa.
And I'm Riki.
And we're just waiting for our friend Jojo to arrive.
Kia ora, everyone. Thank you for coming to rehearsal today. Now, here are your scripts.
Rehearsal?
Scripts?
Yes, for the show, I've invited all our whānau and friends to come watch us perform.
A show? What show?
Oh, kaua e māharahara e hoa. It'll be fun. Now, you are playing the role of the mumu tawa. Here is your costume.
So, Jojo, am I supposed to say all these lines? Makes me kind of nervous thinking I'll have to learn them all.
Māia, it's in your name to be brave. You've got this.
Oh, what do I get to be?
Ah, yes, Riki. You will be the show's puppet master and therefore in charge of voicing and controlling all the puppet characters, which is just the manu.
Oh, miharo.
Oh, and what's your role in all of this, Jojo?
Well, obviously, I'm the director, the person who tells you what to do so you can help bring my vision to life.
Okay.
Okay, I'm all in. So, Jojo, where's the puppet?
Oh, yes. If you could please make the puppet, that would be greatly appreciated. Thanks, Riki. Now, I have lots of director things to do, so kia horo. Quickly learn those scripts. The show won't make itself.
Showtime, it's showtime. Everybody wave to the crowd. Showtime, it's showtime. Now everybody take a bow. Showtime, it's showtime. Everybody wave to the crowd. Showtime, it's showtime. Now everybody take a bow. Let's all act like something else. Act like a cat and then a mouse. Then act like a bumblebee. Now act just like a tree. Showtime, it's showtime. Everybody wave to the crowd. Showtime, it's showtime. Now everybody take a bow. Showtime, it's showtime. Everybody wave to the crowd. Showtime, it's showtime. Now everybody take a bow. We've been working hard all week to learn the parts we have to speak. Our friends are here to watch the show. Ready now, here we go. Showtime, it's showtime. Everybody wave to the crowd. Showtime, it's showtime. Now everybody take a bow. Showtime, it's showtime. Everybody wave to the crowd. Showtime, it's showtime. Now everybody take a bow. Let's put on a show. Yeah!
Alrighty, done. Ooh. I wonder what this manu might sound like if it could talk. Kia ora, I'm a manu. Oh, or maybe it will be funny and sound like this. Kia ora, I'm a manu. See how I can make his wings like this come to life. I could even make him dance and kani kani. Ooh, I'm the dancing manu. Yeah, yeah, oh yeah. Oh, I better go show Jojo his moves. Jojo, come look at this.
Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz. Back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I'm off to find a costume for the Toi Time show. Hoa ke tātou. Tino, my cuzzies. Look at this place. There's so many kākahu to choose from. I'm gonna find the best costume ever. Let's go, my cousins. Well, check out all of these kākahu, my cousins. These ones feel really soft. What about these ones? Oh, this one makes me look like a vampire. What's that one? Oh, these ones are cool. That fabric feels nice as well too. It's sort of like a fishnet. Oh, what's that? Oh, I don't even know what that is. This? Ooh, it's got a few rips. Maybe not. What else? Check out this, my cousins. I just found a Buzzy Bee's head. Maybe this is my costume. Oh.
Kia ora, everybody. Welcome to the Toi Time show. I am Buzzy the Bee, played by...
Buzz the Cuz.
Welcome.
Woo! This Buzzy Bee head is tino wetter. It's so hot in there. Maybe I'll look for something different. All right, my cousins. Check this one out, my cousins. It's really cool. Oh, but it's not my colour. This one will be good for Wolfie. All right, my cousins, time to get serious. I'm gonna try on some costumes. I'll give you a hint of what my first one's gonna be. They work in outer space. What do you reckon, my cousins? I'll tell our astronauts all day. Woo! I could be a mean-ass astronaut. Hey, maybe I should try something different. Absolutely not. Check it out, my cousins. I'm a Māori gladiator. I'll see you at the Toi Time show. Ka kite anō.
Thank you. Yep, cheers. Woo! Yeah. Oh, kia ora, my little superstars. I'm Auntie Anika, and I've just come off stage from one of my sellout shows. What's that? You enjoyed my show? Stop it. It's just another day in the life of a rock star. Oh, it's the press.
Auntie Anika, Buzz here from Toi Time News. Quick pātai, do you ever get stage fright?
Stage fright? Like, when you're nervous before a performance?
Yeah, sometimes it feels like butterflies in your puku, or your heart starts to beat real fast.
No. Phew. Okay, no more questions, please. Off you go.
Thanks.
That's all right. Okay, well, sometimes I might get a teeny bit nervous, but I have some pretty awesome ways to deal with the nerves. Besides, nerves just mean you're about to do something really important to you. Right. Tip 1. Sometimes before I go on stage, my nerves make me a bit jittery, so I take deep breaths to calm myself. Whew. Oh, I feel better already. Tip number 2. If the crowd is super big, as per usual, I imagine all the people there are my friends and whānau, so I have nothing to be nervous about. Oh, kia ora, Mama. Hi, Marigold. Hi, Uncle. And tip number 3, which is the most important, I remember I am the bomb. Woo! I am the bomb. I am the bomb. I am the bomb. Oh, they want me to sing another waiata. I gotta go. See you. Woohoo! Here I come.
Kua tae mai ahau. I've made it. Kua tai mai au. Mate, kua... Oh dear, these lines just aren't sticking. Hey, Mōhio.
Kia ora, Māia.
Kia ora, Mōhio. Jojo's written this great script for us to perform, but my character has lots of lines. How am I going to remember them all?
The more you say your lines, the more they become familiar and ingrained in your memory. Some people find that linking the words to movement can help you remember them while you practice.
Ah, I see. Kua tai mai ahau. I have arrived. Hey, it worked. Thanks, Mōhio. Oh, do you have any other advice for me?
Believe in yourself, e hoa. You're going to be great.
I believe in myself. I'm going to be great. I believe in myself. I'm going to be great.
You are beautiful. Oh, yeah, I'm so beautiful, girl. Yeah. I am perfectly me. I am perfectly me. From my poko to my waiwai, to my puku, to my ringa-ringa. From my poko to my waiwai, to my puku, to my ringa-ringa. Come on, Buzz the Cars, join in. Buzz the Cars is perfectly. Buzz the Cars is perfectly. From his poko to his waiwai, to his puku, to his ringa-ringa. From his poko to his waiwai, to his puku, to his ringa-ringa. I am perfectly me. I am perfectly me. From my upoko to my waiwai, to my puku, to my ringa-ringa. From my upoko to my waiwai, to my puku, to my ringa-ringa. Now everyone sing! We are perfectly we. We are perfectly we. From our upoko to our waiwai, to our puku, to our ringa-ringa. From our upoko to our waiwai, to our puku, to our ringa-ringa. Ringa-ringa, 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 ringa-ringa.
At the end of a show, the audience will clap for the performers. It is tradition that the performers will bow to accept the applause and acknowledge the audience's tautoko and aroha. You can be fancy and raise one hand up high. I call this changing the light bulb. You try, Wolfie. Oh, wow, tahua. Hey, you can be even real flash with it and curtsy like this. Oh, whoopsie, Wolfie. Hey, we can work on that one.
You know, Oma, I'm not really sure I like performing.
Oh, what do you mean? You're great at telling bedtime stories.
I know, but they're for you. I'm not sure I want to do it in front of heaps of people.
Oh, I see. Well, kei te pai, Wolfie. Performing's not for everyone.
But I always come to see you, Oma, and Paki Paki my loudest.
Thank you.
Go, Oma!
Right, Māia, I want you to fly around like this, land here, and say your line.
Okay, got it. Kua tai mai ahau.
Okay. Perhaps a little bit more like this. Ah, Toi Time, Māia, ho!
Got it. Ah, Toi Time, Māia, ho!
Go bigger. Ah!
Toi Time.
Bigger, anō.
Kua tai mai a hau.
Buzz?
Buzz.
Buzz. Who is this Buzz you speak of? I am a warrior.
Buzz, we know it's you. Who let you in?
I smashed down the door with my mighty fists.
You what?
I'm just acting, Jojo. Riki let me in. I heard you were putting on a show, so I put on my favourite costume.
Great warrior costume, Buzz.
Buzz? I'm not sure this is going to work. I've already written the script, and I don't think a warrior and a mumutawa can be in the same play.
Sure they can, Jojo. Who's to say a mumutawa and a warrior can't be friends?
Wait, that's given me the best idea, Māia. Buzz, you're in. I'll rewrite the script as we go.
Yeah. But what about Tākaro time?
Plenty of playing to do on the stage here, Hoa. We better get rehearsing. Audience will be here soon. Places. Buzz, over there.
Okay.
Please, thank you. All right, Māia, off you go.
I am a la la la.
All right, from the top, everyone. From the top. From the top. And action. All right, everyone. Beautiful mahi. I think we're ready. Does anyone need a quick toilet break before we start? Okay, quick 2-minute wharepaku break, and then it's showtime.
Hi. We're going to an indoor gym today. There's heaps of things to play on. My favourite thing is the foam pit with the rings. It's really high. My mission is to try and land on the yellow pad. Here I go. I made it. Come on there, come on there, go on there. Go on there. I'm going to try the balance beams. I'll try the low one first. Now for the high one. And there's trampolines. There's a whole bunch of big foam shapes to play with too. I'm climbing in this tube. My brother spins me around. Getting a bit dizzy. My turn to have a go. I'm so dizzy now. It's really fun at the indoor gym. We love it. Bye.
There once lived a brave, highly skilled warrior. The warrior had won many battles, all by himself without any help.
I am triumphant once more.
But the warrior was very lonely, and that made him feel sad.
Engari, e moke moke ana hau. I wish I had a friend.
Quoi time, Māia ho. I've made it.
Who said that?
Me.
Oh.
Hey, you look lonely. Want to be friends?
Me and you friends? We can't be.
Yeah, hi.
We have nothing in common. You're a tiny little bug, and I'm a big, strong warrior.
I'm sure we have some things in common. Walk with me.
Mumutawa and warrior walked together and shared kōrero. It turns out they did have things in common. They both loved fish and chips, and dancing, and knock-knock jokes.
Yeah.
Then all of a sudden, caw-caw!
Oh, no! I suppose this is a good time to tell you that I'm not as brave as everyone thinks I am. I'm actually a bit scared of birds.
Oh, it's okay, my friend. I'll protect us.
What are you doing?
Well, ladybugs are red to trick Manu into thinking we're poisonous. See?
Oh.
These should keep them away.
Wah, kia ora. I'm a manu.
Tēnā koe, Manu. Please don't hurt me or my friend.
Wait, you two are friends? You can't be. You have nothing in common.
Well, actually, we do. We both love fish and chips.
Yeah, and sauce.
Ooh, I love fish and chips and sauce too.
You do? Oh, is that because you're a seagull?
People always mistake me for a seagull, but I'm actually an albatross. See, our wings are much longer than seagull wings.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, do you want to be our friend?
I love that. That makes me so happy. I want to dance.
Oh, we love dancing too.
Hey, Mōhio, can you play some good dancing music?
Of course, Jojo.
To think earlier today I had no friends and now I have two. It just goes to show that if you open your heart, there are friends everywhere.
The three new friends laughed and danced in the field, happy to have found each other. The end.
Can you feel me? Come on, everybody, stand up. Yeah.
Or when I'm feeling sad, when I'm feeling blue, I freaking put on my dancing shoes. I stand up and I feel the beat. I put my dancing shoes on my feet. Come on.
Woo. Break it down. Can you feel me? Baby, come on.
When I'm lying down, but I want to move, I freaking put on my dancing shoes. I get up and I feel the beat. I put my dancing shoes on my feet. Come on.
Break it down. Can you feel me?
If you wanna move your body, don't know what to do, you freaking put on your dancing shoes. You get up, you won't feel the blues. You freaking put on your dancing shoes. Come on.
Break it down. Can you feel me?
Okay, it's a freestyle time now. Let's dance. I can see you dancing at home. You the bomb.
Hi! I'm going to Kung Fu tonight. I really love Kung Fu. I have a special Kung Fu uniform. There's different colored belts in Kung Fu. I have a white belt. My friend has a yellow and white one. One day I want to be a black belt. We have to tie our belts a special way. It takes a bit of practice. We get to do punches and kicks.
Your toes.
We train very, very hard. We always help each other. My favorite thing of all is the punches. I'm good at kicks too.
Your toes.
Our instructor tells us what to do. She's really nice too.
You're gonna do front hand, jab out, you're gonna pull it back in. You're gonna go jab, pull it back in.
For the kicks, we use the guard. We take turns using the guard. When we practice our punches, we use the mitts. We put it on your hand like this. I love coming to Kung Fu. Bye!
All right, and from the top, action. Riki, can I please have a coffee? Thank you. Coffee, Riki. Yep, just pop it down there. And cut! We're going to have to go again, Buzz.
Hey there, I'm Frank, and welcome to Story Time. This is a story about Lunar New Year morning. It was an exciting morning in Wellington as twin sisters Jean and Joy woke to find new clothes hanging in their closet. Mum and Dad poked their heads into Jean and Joy's bedroom. "Happy Lunar New Year, girls," said Dad. "We're celebrating by wearing new clothes today," said Mum, twirling in her red frock, "and it's extra lucky to wear the colour red." Jean and Joy excitedly wriggled into their new clothes, marvelling at the silky textures and bright red colours. Even little Jaden wore a new red onesie. "Gung hi fa joy," called Grandfather Gung Gung as he entered with a cheeky smile. That is what we say in Hong Kong to wish everyone happiness and good fortune for the new year. "Gung hi fa joy," chimed Jean and Joy. Dad held out red envelopes decorated in gold Chinese characters. He gave 2 envelopes to Jean, 2 to Joy, and 2 envelopes to Jaden too. These red pockets are traditional New Year gifts from parents to children. "What's inside them?" asked Jean. Joy opened hers up eagerly. "Money!" exclaimed Joy. "It is my lucky day." But more than money or new clothes, the girls knew that their greatest fortune was to be with their family, which made them happier than ever. The end.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Yeah. Woo. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi wha.